Okay, guys, we are going to work on practice sheet 12. This is the second video. So we're going to look at number 6, okay? So we're supposed to write an equation for x and then solve for x. So first of all, when you look at this equation here, this angle pair here, remember we had two types. We had supplementary Remember, supplementary is straight, makes an 8 for 180, and it looks like this, okay? Then we have complementary, which makes a corner, and it adds up to 90, and it looks like this, okay? So when you look at these two, supplementary, complementary, when I look, hopefully we can tell that this is complementary. It makes a corner right there. Your end point is 90 degrees, okay? So we have the first part of our equation. Now we're going to do the rest. So remember, I usually start with this one, okay, because it has the x. So 5x minus 19, done with that. Then the other one is 34 plus 34, okay? Now, remember I told you this could be your answer. If it was like answer choice A, B, C, or D, this might be one of your answers. Or they might have it where it's combined, where they put these two together. So 34 and minus 19, so these are different, subtract. And when you go to subtract that, the 4 becomes 14, the 3 becomes a 2. 14 minus 9 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get 15. This part together makes 15. And it's more to the right, so it's plus. Okay? And then from here, I know you can solve it, right? Minus 15, minus 15, right? So I want you to solve it from here. Okay, so now let's move on and go to number 8. You're going to finish this one for me, but let's just look at it. I know we're good at these. 8x minus 9 equals negative 89. Variables on the left side. So I need to get rid of minus 9 and times 8. So to get rid of minus 9, I do opposite. Plus 9. Right? So I still have 8x. And over here, left, if it's a negative, right. Difference, subtract. 89 minus 9 is 80, and it will be negative because it's more to the left, okay? I want you to finish it from here, and remember from here it turns into a triangle problem. So you finish that up, okay? Okay, guys, let's look at this one. Number 9, we're still messing this up, okay? So divide and write answers in simplest form. So Texas. Whenever we're multiplying and dividing, we do Texas. When we add and subtract, we get a common denominator, okay? So 5 times 12 plus 4. So figure out 12 times 5, 60. 60 plus 4 is 64. If you don't know it, you write it to the side. Count up by 5s 12 times. You'll get 60 plus 4 is 64. Divide by 3 times 2 plus 2. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8 over 3. And then, guys, remember we do keep, change, flip. Keep it. Change it. Flip it. And from here, you can solve it how you want. I would find the relationship because I know both of these divide by 8. If you don't know that, then do 64 times 3, put it on top. 5 times 8, put it on bottom. Divide to make it mixed. Do not make it a decimal. Okay? Or you can just find the relationship here and make these numbers a little smaller. Okay? Number 10 says find the area of the triangle. We've been doing this one week after week now. So the formula for area of a triangle is A equals half BH. Okay? The base and the height have to form a right angle. Okay, so I do not use this one. I would use 25 if it was for perimeter. So half base height, then half of the base is how I would do it. Half of 24, which is 12, and then times 7. Okay, or you can do 24 times 7, take that product and divide by 2. Okay, 24 times 7 and divide by 2, that's going to give you the same answer as what I'm doing. I do half of 24. Okay, your job is to multiply that, and your answer will be in inches squared. Okay, and then our last one, which number sets does the number 0 belong to? Okay, so I'm not going to tell you this. We've done this. Look at your notes that we did at the beginning of the year. Number sets. I will give you one hint. There are 3 sets which this belongs. So I want you to think. Where does natural start? Where does whole start? Integers. And remember, every number we know is rational, so for sure it's going to be that one, right? That's one of the 3, okay?